Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle, just in case you didn't know, now you do. And today I have a Wish haul for you. So I've been kind of curious about the plus size things on Wish and if they would actually fit my body type and my size, which is generally a 5X to 6X depending on where I shop and how I want it to fit. And so I did a little shopping. I'm still waiting for one more thing to come in, but it looks like it's not going to be here before I need this video to go up. So I am just going to do it with the 3 pieces that I have, and I'm going to show you. I have not opened any of them. They are all still in the packages like this. So it's going to be a surprise to me and you what's in here and if it fits. So I'm going to film all of the unboxing part, and then I will add in commentary about how it fits, and I'll show you how it fits, okay? Let's just get started with the tiny package. The other 2 are a bit bigger. Don't want to advertise my address on the internet, so I'm trying to be careful about this. Okay, so I opened it and got more plastic. That is one drawback to ordering things like this, is it just comes in so much plastic. So this is what it looks like. It has a V-neck from what I can see. I don't remember. I ordered this stuff like almost a month ago now, and I'm still waiting for that one piece, so who knows. Okay. Right off the bat, the fabric doesn't feel all that awesome, but then also this is definitely not going to fit. And is definitely not anything close to what I ordered. Legitimately, I think I could probably, I don't understand. Okay, well, let's see. The fabric doesn't feel great. This is pretty narrow for how baggy it's supposed to be. I mean, I get that it's Asian sizes, so maybe not. It's also pretty poorly sewn, this is just sticking out there. There is pockets, which is interesting. I'm just gonna look on the app and see what I actually ordered. Okay, so this must be it. Okay, so the thing I ordered is called Large Size Fashion Women Slim Fit Long Shirt Long Sleeve V-neck T-shirt skirt. Alright. Super descriptive. This is what the picture looks like. So I thought it was more slouchy. This is definitely not the t-shirt material to be slouchy, and it's definitely not going to fit me. It just isn't. I don't know. It'll fit my mom though. Maybe she'd like it. It is her birthday tomorrow. I can be like, surprise! I got you this really shitty t-shirt. Alright. So I'm not even going to bother trying this on because I'm just going to end up ripping it. But that's the first item. This is sort of what it looks like, I guess. I don't even know if you guys can see it. It does have puffier sleeves with some gathery bits. That's how they got the puffiness. I don't know. the hell? Alright. This feels a little nicer in terms of the fabric, but not much. Oh man, I can see right through these. Like, I can see the camera. Can you see me through that? Okay, this is a 4XL. That's what it says anyway. It's very wrinkly. The pants are really wide though. Like, this is how wide the legs are. I don't know if it'll fit over my butt. We'll give it a try. I'm gonna show you what I was expecting. Something like this. So, these fit sort of. Like, they're on, but they're so tight on my butt. And they don't go high-waisted like they should. Because, like, this is as they go. They're definitely too short. Because they're supposed to be high-waisted and fit. I'm not really sure how I feel. I'm a little like, I can't breathe in them. I guess to be expected. A little disappointed, but like also not all that disappointed. Now I at least have satisfied my curiosity. But this is uncomfortable. And I would like to take it off. Okay. Bye. I'm not even trying on the t-shirt. Let's just go on to package number 3, shall we? It looks like this one is from the same company. Kind of disappointing that they sent them in 2 separate packages, but whatever. This feels nice. Oh, okay. What is this? Fluff. Okay. So I'm not sure if you can tell yet that these are supposed to be overalls. Now, I'm not an overalls lover in the least, but I thought these would be cute. And they kind of look like giant toddler pants. Anyway, so again, they are wide leg, super wide leg. They have a pocket. Yeah, they don't really look like they will fit. They are not stretchy in the least. So, this should be interesting. The straps are sewn in at the back, and then they're just attached with a button at the front. There are extra buttonholes, so you can make it longer if you need to. But yes, this is not a super thick denim. It's very light. You might be able to see through it. Who knows? We're gonna try everything on now. So I can already tell these aren't going to work. This is my underwear right here. Basically, it's not even wide enough to like get up my thigh. Or like put my other leg in. No, that's just not happening. I'm trying to like not be naked on the internet, but like just not happening. Nope. Okay. Hello, Danielle of the future here. So I filmed this video last night at about 10 o'clock at night, and I realized when I went to edit it today that there's actually no outro for it. So that's what this is. So I just want you all to know that last night I gave all the clothes to my mom, so they're not going to waste. She is about half my size, and everything will fit her just perfectly fine, and she was kind of excited to get the clothes. I was like, here you go, here's some cute overalls. She was pretty pumped. I told her basically if she tried them on and hated them or they fell apart and whatever, she could just throw them out. I did not care. because honestly they're not made of great quality, but they were cute for the price. So yes, she got the clothes because those are never going to fit me. And yes, thank you very much for watching. Now that we've all experienced the horror that is me trying things on the internet, I guess I will see you guys soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, comment anything you want down below. Remember, I do comment back pretty much to every comment for the first 24 hours. So there's that. And if you're looking for any of my links to my social media, they're all in the description box. Thank you, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!